My name is Melissa Schmeusser. I have lived in the Rogue Valley since 1990. I actually enjoy not being in a big city, no traffic. My experience with True South, since I was home during the installation and whatnot, they're super professional, very friendly, very clean. Yeah, it was a great experience. It gave us a lot of information on how to maximize tax rebates, which included any roofing, the install, anything that came with that maximized the tax rebate. So the roof went on first, then the solar, and it did help 100%. It is totally worth it. We've seen our power bill drop significantly. If the Powerwalls, they power up or charge up during the day, and then they kind of carry us through the night. This area loses power frequently. We've been here 9.5 years. The first 5 years we were here, we were averaging an accident in front of our house every 6 months. Anytime they hit that power pole, we lose power, we have no water because we're on a well. So having the solar or battery backup or backup generator, hugely beneficial, because you have no water, you can't take a shower, you can't flush a toilet, you can do nothing. So it is nice to be able to look around our neighbors and everybody's dark and we have our lights on and we can shower, we can flush the toilet, and we can watch TV, we can do whatever we want. Their customer service has been fabulous. They're very professional, they're very quick. Is True South the way to go? 100%.